Dr. Sarah, you recently shared a video of you doing chin ups, and you also shared that you recently just got your first pull up. Everyone wants to know your secret. Can you share what training you did to achieve those goals?
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. This was one of my main fitness goals. This has been one of my main fitness goals for years, but something that I've been working really diligently and consistently on all year. So it's taken months and months and months to get here. But I've been doing progressions to like build the strength of all of the muscles that are important. Um, with pull-ups and chin-ups specifically. I started with ring rows. That is a like I don't know, your feet are on the ground and it's like a reverse push-up, pulling yourself up to rings. So that is the pulling part of the motion, and then working on harder and harder versions of push-ups to do the pushing part of building all of those different muscles. And then I've been working on progressively harder versions of ring rows. The more flat your body is, right, that angle makes them harder. And then in the spring, I started doing a version where like the rings are up like above me, and I'm kind of close to the ground. And so that involves like a little bit more of a change in the angles, um, and makes them much harder. Doing those very slow, very controlled in both the eccentric and concentric directions, holding at the top, not relaxing, letting go at the bottom to build all that strength, and then doing some hanging from the bar to build all of the little muscle stabilization muscles. And then I will tell you that discovering that I could do a chin up was a complete surprise. I was on a playground with my husband and my dog, and I just pulled myself up. I had no idea. So the video is actually my second chin up ever, not my first, because I didn't even know I could do one. But like I've been periodically, like especially when my shoulders are really warm after a workout, just like hopping on the bar at the gym and just seeing like how far can I get. And so I've just been like getting farther and farther and farther before I get stuck. And then all of a sudden at the beginning of August, I could do one. So full disclosure, so I can do, depending on how fresh my shoulders are, 3 or 4 chin-ups or one pull-up, and I still can't do them from a dead hang. So I still can't do them from like fully relaxed bottom shoulders. I still have to start from like a slightly lower bar in order to not have that like first bit of the motion. So that's the part that I'm working on now, is to continue to build that strength, so that I can rep the actual pull-ups because I can't. They're so much harder than chin-ups. And so that I can get them from a dead hang. Yeah, fitness progressions, like the building strength and building strength with a targeted movement in mind. Lots of pull-up progressions and push-up progressions.